Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset algorithm account vibes or yellow score. If you want to fresh start on Tinder, your yellow has been way too low that you want to start afresh. There is only one way to do it. I'm going to show you how. Now come to your profile icon in the bottom right corner here. Then click on this gear icon in the top right corner. And now when you are here, you have to scroll down all the way to the bottom. Now click on this delete account. We are not deleting account, just tap on this delete account. Now don't click on post, click on this delete my account. Now it's going to give you this whole option. Now you are going to choose which of them you want. Now for someone who wants to reset, so want to have a fresh start, click on I want to have a fresh start. Here you can see I want a fresh start, just click on it. Now it's going to show you here what you want. Now just click on I want to reset my matches or choose whatever you want. Then you continue account deletion. Now your account will not totally be deleted, it will just be reset. Don't forget that you are going to lose some things like your matches, your messages, because you're trying to have a new start. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can reset your Tinder algorithm. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.